My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a ultimate clean with me, but also a Sunday reset. So I have lots to get done today. I did pick up groceries, and then I also have to just tackle quite a few things around the house to get us ready for a brand new week. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Stay away. Oh, this words are echoing inside of me. I don't wanna lead you astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I will give away my soul.
So as always, I started off by making the bed, and I just picked up a couple of things on the floor and just put like the shoes back where they go, or like the bedroom shoes back where they go and stuff like that. But then I also wanted to just go ahead and dust. I know I normally always just wipe down these nightstands, but I was like, let me change up my routine. Instead of always wiping them down, sometimes I can just dust and that'll get the job done. So that's pretty much what we're doing today. But since I went ahead and grabbed the duster, I was like, well, let's just go ahead and tackle these blinds as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust pretty much everything in here, and then we are going to move on to the bathroom.
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
So in the bathroom today, we're going to of course clean the mirror, wipe down the sink. We're not going to detail clean the toilet or anything like that, but I just wanted to wipe down everything in here and just get it ready for the new week.
Don't cut like paper, babe. You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love? That don't cut like paper, babe.
So I have quite a few clothes on the floor that I'm going to show you guys in just a second that I had to pick up. But I need to know in the comments below, does anybody else just throw their clothes on the floor instead of just throwing them in the hamper? I don't know. I have always struggled with this. Instead of taking 5 seconds after I get out the shower to throw the clothes in the hamper, they always end up on the floor. And we have been putting the clothes, the dirty clothes, in the laundry room, which makes it even worse for me. Even when they're in the linen closet, which is literally 2 steps to the left of me. Whenever I was in the bathroom, I could have definitely just thrown them in there. I think I'm going to put a hamper in there to help me out. But even when we were in the apartment, I still struggled to do that. So anyways, now we are in the bedroom, and I just wanted to finish up by vacuuming the bedroom and the bathroom as well. And I did want to talk to you guys about the way that I'm tackling my cleaning routine, just to inspire you or to maybe help you get some things done today, or maybe just help you create your own cleaning routine. So for me, just going from such a smaller space to such a bigger space, I'm definitely having to come up with some type of routine. I've noticed that it's easier for me to tackle the downstairs than to tackle the downstairs and the upstairs. The good thing is the upstairs, we literally only use one of the 2 rooms up there. So actually 2 of the 3 rooms up there, because we do have a loft area. So that has definitely helped. But I do want to say that I try to give myself grace, but also if I write it down, that definitely helps me. So I just keep note of it on my phone, just making sure that, you know, every day is like a pickup day, so I pretty much take every evening to take 15-20 minutes to tidy everything up around the house. Definitely not no detail clean or anything like that, but to at least like put the blankets away, making sure that the dishwasher has started, wiping down the countertops, vacuuming as needed. So you know, I have all those different routines in place to definitely help me be successful within the home and just to make sure that we have a clean and tidy home. If you guys want me to share more details, I definitely can, but I just wanted to share that I know that cleaning and keeping a cleaning routine can definitely be stressful. It does me the same way as well, so don't always think that I have it together just because I come on here and record these videos. We do have times where we have like a messy space or a not so put together space, but you know, I'm definitely creating these videos to motivate you to try to get something done. Now, if that's maybe one thing or 5 things, you know, definitely be proud of yourself for even just getting something simple done, if that's just as simple as making your bed. So just wanted to throw those words of wisdom out there, and hopefully it helps someone.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings.
I have noticed that the only thing about these dark wood floors is they show every crumb, piece of dirt, you know, every little thing that gets on the floor, it definitely shows. Now I know that's a good thing and a bad thing. A good thing because it definitely lets me know that I need to vacuum and or mop the floor more often than I have in the past, but also it drives me crazy that I'm always seeing it. So like I said, it can be a good and bad thing, but that's one thing that I have noticed, that the darker floors definitely shows a lot more dirt.
Confusion, that was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing.
So the next thing we're going to do in here is tidy up the kitchen. I pretty much just need to put a few things away that are on the countertops and then make sure to wipe the countertops down as well.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix laugh out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, our meant to be.
We did end up going to Trader Joe's this particular day, and I just grabbed a couple of fruits and vegetables, also a few meats. And mostly snacks. We honestly don't go to Trader Joe's to shop very often. Most of the time it's just to get some snacks that we like that we honestly can't get anywhere else. But for the most part, I mainly shop at Walmart and just do like the delivery service, because I noticed that if I just go on like their app and just order exactly what I need, it definitely helps than actually going into the store and just spending way more money than I actually should be.
Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of laugh out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
Also, I want to apologize in regards to the lighting in the kitchen. I still have to change my bulbs to the LED bright white bulbs. So if you notice that some of the color is yellow, that is definitely why. So I'll definitely get those changed, hopefully sooner than later. But if you notice that, I do apologize.
No, I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo. 'Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes.
If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here.
If you think that I'm a little bit too much for you, maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it, can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth.
I also want to mention that I definitely use cleaning as a type of therapy for me. So I know that that is definitely not everyone's style, but for me, if I have a clean space, I definitely have a much more clear mind. So I definitely keep my space clean because of that. Sometimes I tend to go to the extreme. So I have been trying to pull back a little bit in regards to making sure that my family, is a little bit more relaxed within the household and just feel like everything has to be always put together. That is definitely something that I'm working on. But if you are feeling the exact same way, like if you're feeling overwhelmed or just feeling like you can't get things done, I will start by at least trying to maybe pick a space within your home that you want to make a routine to keep tidy and clean within your space. It definitely works, and but yeah, definitely try it out. It has been something that has really helped me mentally, and I just want to be here to encourage you guys.
You're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much.
what you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick